Hi, welcome to What's Up with DJ Now. Today we're making Instant Pot Clam Chowder. Here are the supplies I'm using. They'll be linked in the description as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be setting our pressure cooker to the saute mode, and we're going to do that for 7 minutes on the normal setting. And when it comes up to saute, it's going to say hot. That means it's time to add in our oil. I'm going to use my Evo sprayer, and I'm going to spray in about a tablespoon of oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can use the oil of your preference. I'm going to put in 1 small onion, chopped up and diced. I'm going to put in 2 stalks of celery, which has been diced up as well. And we're just going to saute the onion and the celery for about 7 minutes, stirring frequently. Okay, 7 minutes has passed up. Now I'm going to put in 4 cups of potato that has been diced into cubes. I'm going to put in 2 cups of chicken broth. Use any broth of your choice. I use better than bouillon. We're going to put in 2 cups of clam juice, which we've drained from our clams, the canned clams that we use. Just drain your juice and keep it. If you don't get 2 cups, then add water to make up to 2 cups. We're going to put in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. We're going to put in some thyme, fresh thyme. And we're putting in 1/2 teaspoon of the thyme. We're going to put in 2 bay leaves. We're going to put in about 1 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper, or just regular pepper if you don't have the fresh ground. We're going to give this a good stir and get it all mixed up. Which clam chowders do you guys like better? The New England, which is the white one, which I'm making, or the Manhattan, which is the red? I don't think I've ever had the red. Comment in the comments which you like better, white or red. Okay, we're going to put on the lid. And you're going to make sure and want to seal your vent. Mine seals automatically when I shut. I'm just showing you back there, but make sure and seal yours. You're going to choose pressure cook. And you're going to leave it on the more and high. And you're going to set it for only 3 minutes. Cook on 3 minutes on more and high. And you're going to cook 3 minutes and add for a 10-minute natural release. Okay, now we're back. We're going to release our vent. And there's Sammy watching. Okay, now we're going to take off our lid of the pot very carefully. It's very hot. And we're going to give that a stir. We're going to remove our bay leaves out of there. It was very hot. I was trying to get them both. I thought I had them and then one dropped. Go back in and get that other one. Stir it up a bit. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take out about 3 tablespoons of that broth, and we're going to make a cornstarch slurry with it. So remove about 3 tablespoons of just the broth, and we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and we're going to make a slurry, and this will help to thicken up our clam chowder. And just stir that up really well. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and set this to the saute mode for 7 minutes again. So that'll come up to heat. We're going to add in our clams, which is 4 cans of chopped clams with the juice removed. We're going to add in 1/2 cup of half and half. And this recipe calls for bacon bits, which I thought was different, but it actually turned out really good. So I'm putting in about 1 cup, maybe a little more than 1 cup of pre-bacon bits from Oscar Mayer. You can cook up your bacon if you want, but I had these and they're real bacon bits, pieces, so I'm stirring that in there. What I'm doing now is I'm squishing some of the potatoes to the side, because you want some of the potatoes to be solid and some of them to be a little squished, because then that helps to also thicken up your clam chowder. So you can do this with a spoon just on the side like I am, or you could put a potato squish masher and mash them a little bit. Now there's the cornstarch slurry. I can't say that. Cornstarch slurry I'm putting in there, and we're going to stir that while it's sauteing, and it will help to thicken up your clam chowder. And then I'm taking my wooden spoon and smashing up just a few more of the potatoes. I've just been letting this simmer on a low saute setting, on the low saute, and that means it's not as hot as it can be, but it's just a nice little simmer. And then just stir every once in a while. You can see it bubbling up there. Now after it's set a little while, I'm showing you how it looks. It smells really good. Nice big chunk potatoes, but also some pieces, some bacon bits, lots of clams, celery, onion. I was really looking forward to this because I really love clam chowder. Some people were saying, well, it's almost spring. Why do you want clam chowder? To me, clam chowder is good anytime. So let's go ahead and get some served up in the bowl. And there's Sammy watching again because he's nosy. He wants to know if he's going to get any. He's my buddy. Okay, now I prefer to put a little bit of chives on top. You don't have to do this. It adds a little flair to it, so I like it, but it is optional. Then I gotta add some oyster crackers because you gotta have those in clam chowder. And here's some pictures of how it looks. It's really good. It's an easy clam chowder to make, doesn't take long. And I want to thank you for watching my video. I hope that you'll like and subscribe, and I hope that you will try this recipe out. Have a nice day. See ya. Bye-bye.